Welcome to Nick Kids Drawing. Today, we're gonna draw the most beautiful cake with coloring step by step. Let's start drawing first. It's going to make so beautiful. I'm drawing the mouth. It's time for coloring. Let's start coloring. I'm coloring the fire of it. Brown chocolate color. Pink strawberry color. Vanilla color. Let's make it beautiful and yummy. It's making so beautiful. Yay! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.